Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Healthy Life channel. Today, we're diving deep into a vibrant green powder that has been taking the wellness world by storm. Matcha. You've probably seen it in lattes, smoothies, and even desserts. But did you know this ancient Japanese tea could be a secret weapon in your weight loss journey? Stick around, because we're about to unlock the science behind how matcha can help you sip your way to a healthier you. So, what exactly is matcha? Unlike regular green tea, where you steep the leaves and discard them, with matcha, you're consuming the entire leaf, ground into a fine powder. This means you get a much more concentrated dose of all the good stuff. We're talking vitamins, minerals, and most importantly for our topic today, powerful antioxidants. Let's get straight to the point. How does matcha help with weight loss? It's not magic, it's science. The first major benefit is its effect on your metabolism. Matcha is packed with a type of antioxidant called catechins, and one in particular, EGCG, or epicallocatechin gallate, is a real powerhouse. Studies have shown that EGCG can give your metabolism a significant boost. We're talking a potential increase of 4 to 8% for several hours after you drink it. Imagine your body's engine just running a little hotter, burning more calories throughout the day, even while you're just sitting at your desk. This process is known as thermogenesis, and matcha is a fantastic natural way to support it. But it doesn't stop there. Matcha is also a fantastic workout partner. Research suggests that drinking matcha before you exercise can enhance fat oxidation. What does that mean? It means your body becomes more efficient at burning fat for energy during your workout. So, that 30-minute jog or spin class could become even more effective in helping you reach your weight loss goals. You're essentially telling your body, hey, let's use these fat stores for fuel. It's a simple switch that can make a big difference over time. Now, let's talk about energy. Many of us reach for coffee or sugary energy drinks when we need a pick-me-up, but that often comes with a crash in jitters. This is where matcha truly shines. It does contain caffeine, but it's a different kind of energy. Matcha is also rich in an amino acid called L-theanine. This amazing compound works synergistically with caffeine to provide a calm, focused, and sustained energy boost. No jitters, no sudden crash. Just a smooth, clean energy that can help you stay active and motivated throughout the day. This is crucial for weight loss, because when you feel good and have steady energy, you're more likely to make healthier food choices and stick to your workout routine. Stress can be a huge roadblock on any weight loss journey. When we're stressed, our bodies produce cortisol, the stress hormone, which can lead to cravings for unhealthy foods and increased fat storage, especially around the belly. The L-theanine in matcha doesn't just help with focus. It also promotes a state of relaxation by increasing alpha waves in the brain. So, a daily cup of matcha can be a wonderful ritual to help you de-stress and manage those cortisol levels, making it easier to stay on track with your health goals. It's like a little moment of zen in a cup. Beyond weight loss, the health benefits of matcha are incredible. Because you're consuming the whole leaf, you're getting a massive dose of antioxidants, way more than regular green tea. These antioxidants fight off free radicals in your body, which helps protect your cells from damage, supports your immune system, and contributes to overall wellness. A healthy body is a body that's better equipped to manage its weight effectively. So, how can you incorporate matcha into your daily routine? It's surprisingly easy. The traditional way is to whisk it with hot water into a frothy tea. But you don't have to stop there. You can add a teaspoon of matcha powder to your morning smoothie for an energy and antioxidant boost. Mix it into your oatmeal or yogurt, or even make a healthy matcha latte with your favorite plant-based milk. The key is to look for high-quality, ceremonial-grade matcha for the best taste and most potent benefits. It should have a vibrant green color, not a dull, brownish green. Let's recap the amazing ways matcha can support your weight loss journey. First, It fires up your metabolism through thermogenesis, helping you burn more calories around the clock. Second, it enhances your body's ability to burn fat for fuel during exercise. Third, it provides clean, sustained energy without the jitters or crash, keeping you active and motivated. And fourth, it helps reduce stress, which can prevent stress-related weight gain. It's important to remember that matcha is a powerful tool, not a magic pill. A healthy diet and regular exercise are the cornerstones of any successful weight loss plan. But adding matcha can give you that extra edge, supporting your body's natural processes and making the journey a little bit smoother and a lot more enjoyable. It's about transforming both your body and your mind for sustainable success. Think of it as a small, simple change that can have a big impact. By swapping out a sugary drink for a cup of matcha, you're not only cutting calories, but also actively helping your body burn fat and stay energized. It's a win-win situation. I've personally found that starting my day with a matcha latte helps me feel focused and ready to take on whatever comes my way. It's become a ritual I look forward to, and knowing all the incredible health benefits makes it even better. Have you tried using matcha for weight loss or just for its other health benefits? I'd love to hear about your experience. Drop a comment down below and share your favorite way to enjoy matcha. Let's create a community and support each other on our wellness journeys. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about natural ways to boost your health, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.